What's good, YouTube? Justin Malcolm checking in with another video. Gonna be touching on MCA once again. Giving y'all a few tips, and basically talking about how you want to succeed with MCA. Some things you need to do. First and foremost, the most important thing I always tell people, you got to be consistent. Consistency. I can't stress it. I can't stress it enough. You can't do something one day and then not do it the next. You gotta do this every day. You gotta grind. You gotta get out there, put it in front of as many people as possible, both online and offline. You gotta talk. You gotta talk to people. This is a great company. It's great benefits. It's stuff we need. So, consistency and persistence. You gotta be professional as possible. You wanna be a good businessman. You wanna be a good businesswoman. I like to always put myself in the customer's shoes. You gotta think if, okay, the way you're approaching that person or the way you're coming at that person or presenting yourself, if you was on the other side of the fence, would you buy from this person? Would you sign up with this person? I always want to get my presentation down pat. So if I didn't convince myself, I would go and look in the mirror and do my presentation. If I wasn't convinced myself, then it's not good enough. Good isn't good enough. So, you gotta want it. You gotta really want it, and you gotta just do it every day. You can't get mad cause one week you didn't make any sales or you didn't get as many leads as you want. That means go harder next week and next week and the week after, because what's gonna happen? You're gonna get a snowball effect. I promise you. I went through this. You're gonna get a snowball effect. You gotta stay with it. You just gotta want to do it. It's a great company. It's stuff we need. Sell people the benefits. It's not all about the income opportunity. Learn what you're selling. Learn the benefits, because I joined MCA because of the benefits. That's why I originally joined MCA. Me and my wife actually used this stuff, and I actually had to use the towing yesterday. So glad I had that. It's better to have something and not need it than need something and not have it. Think about that. Think about that. And okay, let me share this with everybody. You can make your business free, and the way is, look at it like this: if you're an MCA Total Security member, it's $240 a year. That's for your entire membership. It's $240. Refer 3, your business is free. Think about it. You refer 3 people, that's $240. Well, why not take that money, reinvest it, call MCA up, call customer service, and pay your business off for the year. Then you don't have to worry about your account being drafted or your card or whatever. You don't have to worry about that. All you got to do is promote your business, make money, use the benefits. They're there. If you need the towing, if you need the hospital benefit, it's there. Smart move. Team, go get it. If you're on my team, go get it. That is the thing to do. Invest that money, pay your business off for the year, and don't worry about it. Let's get it in. And if you're a platinum member, your business is, let me think, let me do a little math here. If you're a platinum member, your business is $480 for the year. Refer 6 people. Call MCA up, pay your business off. That's all it is to it. And guys, I know I get a lot of people on Instagram call me or text me or sending me emails. What do I do? Well, guys, for one, you gotta get your profiles looking on point. Make yourself presentable. Some people don't want to see all those crazy pictures with crazy captions. That's not good business practice. I'm just speaking from a business perspective. That's not a good business practice. You got to be professional with this. Conduct it as if it's your business. That's what it is. You can't have all this crazy stuff on your profile. Same thing with Facebook or Twitter. You can't be posting all these crazy tweets. You got to be a businessman. Business is business, personal is personal. You can blend the two, but it gotta be a perfect blend. You can't have all this crazy stuff and expect to make a ton of money. You can't look at what kind of people you're gonna target. Not saying don't target those people. I don't judge anybody, but still you gotta be professional as possible. So that's a something to keep in mind. But you get a lot of people getting frustrated. You're jumping from opportunity to opportunity. You gotta build in one place. Establish yourself in one place first. You want to brand yourself. You want to brand yourself as a leader. You want to establish you a team in one spot first, and then you move to another stream of income. So you're not just spending money here, spending money there, spending a lot of time here, spending a lot of time there, and then next thing you know, you're frustrated, and now you're back at your 9 to 5, or you just done gave up on any other thing out there because of your frustration. I'm just telling you guys what I know. I went through it, and I know how it is. It takes time. I mean, I went a long time before I made my first dollar online. That's the truth. And it's just boom. I just kept going. I got a will to win. I kept going. I wasn't gonna quit. So that's the key, man. I mean, you got to be consistent. I just can't stress that enough. I'm so serious about that. You got to be consistent. Man, you got to want to do it every day. Take Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan wasn't the best player in the world starting out, but he practiced every day, every single day. And if you practice this, basically going out there talking to people, marketing. If you practice this every day, what you think gonna happen? You're gonna become a pro. And then you teach this to other people. And my secret weapon is having faith in God. I can't stress that enough. Total faith in God. You can't be a person that says, I got faith in God, and then when times get hard, you go to stressing or wonder how I'm gonna get money for this or how I'm gonna do this. I can't do this. That's not faith. That's not faith. That's 80%. You got to be 100%. Everything's gonna be all right. That's how you got to be every day. Everything's gonna be all right. So, that's something to keep in mind. God, that's my biggest weapon. That's my biggest weapon. I mean, without faith in God, I would definitely. I mean, I don't know where I would be. So, I just wanted to share that with everybody. Share this video. Join Team Go Get It. Man, invest the $40. The benefits in the $20 a month, it's worth the $40. Trust me, it is worth the $40. So if one of my team members, whoever shared this video with you all, get back with them. They will help you. Training is available. I'll help you. The trainer is there. We got a group on Facebook, MCA Team Go Get It. Everything. I got exclusive training. We got a team conference call. So get on. I mean, really get on. And I just want to shout out to a few of my members getting it in. Charles Easter. Get with him. He's getting it in. Get with him. He's a general on the team. Man, just big success story. Robert Easter. He's getting it in. Ricky Tan, Tiffany out in Cali. Jessica Easter, Judy Hernandez, Tony's getting it in Atlanta, Georgia. Man, it's so DeMarcus Ford, that's my brother, big brother, beast. He's a beast. Who else? Guys, it's so many. Gregory Wilson. Another guy getting it in. It's everybody. Team Go Get It. If any of those people, get with them. Get with them. I mean, they're really getting it in. Demarius out in Mississippi. So, just get with those people. Get with them. Anybody from Team Go Get It. Because, I mean, we're making it happen. We're moving at a fast rate. I'm just so proud of my team. Everybody's making it happen. God bless everybody. Y'all have a good day. I'm out.